Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Adda 24/7. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjot, and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on principles and practices of banking. So today I'm little bit late. Really sorry for that. So let's start the session. Before starting the session, let me know, am I audible to all of you, and the PPT is also visible. Are we good to go? So good evening to all of you. Let me know first of all, is everything okay? Are we good to go? So that I will start the session. So in today's session, we are going to discuss another MCQs regarding your principles and practices of banking. Before that, if you are new to the channel Officers at 24/7, then do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions will be available to you. Okay. Apart from that, if you have not download the 24/7 application, then do download the application so that you will be getting the quizzes also regarding the banking awareness. Last but not the least, do not forget to share the session on the Telegram channels or WhatsApp group wherever you are linked with the persons of your, or we can say your colleagues who are preparing for the same exam. Okay, so let's start the session. Before starting the session, certain batches are very important for all of you right now. From 31st of October, one revision batch is started on PPB, AFB and LRB, all the three subjects, that is started from 31st of October. So if you want to enroll in the revision batch, you can check the batch on the Adda 24/7 application, and you can use the code Y496 to enroll in the particular batch. Apart from that, case study batch started from 1st of November. So to enroll here, you have to use the same particular code. Okay, and let's start with the next important information, that right now 3000 MCQ batch, previous year questions batch and the case study batch, all the three are available in a single product. That is the batch of your previous year questions, MCQ questions and your case study questions, and that is started from 10th of October, but all the classes which has been completed till now, that will be available in the recorded form. So to enroll here, you can use the same code Y496. Now next thing is important, it's very important you practice multiple questions. You are doing practice in YT, that we all know, but apart from that, it is important that you should be familiar with the way how to give online exam and how to perform at the time you are giving paper when the stress is there of the exam, and also you are using online platform to give the exam for the first time. So it is important that you will be able to know how to perform, how to go for the exam. Okay, so for that, it is important that you practice certain online test also, that is available on Adda 24/7 application. Individual subject paper is available, also the combined test series are available. To enroll in the any particular test series, you can use a code Y496S, and this is the high time for the practice, because we know on 11th of November, sorry, on 12th of November, we have our principles and practices of banking exam. So do not forget to practice and do not forget to give online mock test. That is very important. Now let's start with the first question, that is talking about the NPA somehow. The first question is saying that a crop loan are granted for short duration crop base become NPA if interest and or installment remains overdue for. So what the question is asking, question is saying that a crop loan granted for short duration, okay, crop business, that became NPA if interest and or installment remains overdue. For which of the following period? Is it for one crop season, two crop season, 90 days, two crop season but not exceeding 2.5 years? Which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? Which of the following will be correct? Okay, everyone is going with the B option. That is two crop season. Do read all the options very carefully. Do read all the options. It is important that you check all the options. It doesn't matter you find the answer on the first question, but also make sure that you are reading all the options. First, second, third, fourth, all the options are important to read. Okay, so maximum are going with the B option. Some are saying D also. Okay. So right answer will be B, that is two crop season. In the short term crop, if there is a long term crop, if there is long term crop, in that situation it will be one crop season. Okay, next. The importance of financial literacy, the importance of financial literacy has increased many folds because of which of the following? So question is asking about your financial literacy. So question is saying that importance of financial literacy has increased many folds because of which of the following? First is saying more and more the burden of making sound financial decision is coming to rest on the shoulder of consumer. Second is saying there are more choices of financial services. Companies, banks, credit unions, brokerage firms, insurance firm, credit card companies, mortgage companies, financial planners, and the others are all trying to get your business. Third is saying social security used to be seen as a major source of retirement income. Now it is serves more like a safety net that will provide enough only for survival, not enjoyment. And fourth option is saying all of the above. So which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? Do not forget to mention the question number. That is very important so that I will be knowing that which questions answer you are giving. So which of the following will be correct for the second question? A, B, C or D? We are talking about financial literacy. It is very important to have a financial literacy so that people will be aware about the benefit of financial product and services. And the right answer will be very good, your D, that is all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. All of the above are the benefits of knowing or of having the financial literacy. Very good. So right answer will be D. Correct. Next. Which of the following is not the task performed under physical distribution? So when you are performing the physical distribution, which of the following is not the task performed under it? Is it a taking orders? Is it a storage of goods? Is it forecasting demand for the product? Is it servicing of the product? So which of the following should not be performed by the persons in the physical distribution of services or goods? Which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? Yes, the burden we were talking in the earlier question is about, like more and more burden of making the sound financial decision will be disseminated to the other persons also. Like right now we have mutual fund managers. Okay, we have mutual funds manager. So they have a burden, like they are the person to whom everybody is going to take the decision, to take the advice that where should we invest, what is the sound financial institution where we should invest our money. So that will be disseminated, that will be transferred to the other persons also if they have a financial literacy. So third is C, everyone is going with the C, and that is very correct, that forecasting of demand for the product is not the part of the physical distribution. If you are doing a physical distribution, you are taking orders, you are maintaining storage of goods, you are servicing of the product. Okay, next. Which of the following can be called money market instrument? Which of the following can be called money market instrument? First is saying treasury bill, second is saying commercial paper, third is saying certificate of deposit, and fourth is saying all of the above. So which of the following is called money market instrument? A, B, C or D? Again, I am repeating, those candidates who are live in the session, do not forget to mention the question number. Do mention the question number of which you are giving the answer, so that I will be knowing that which question answer you are giving. Also, those candidates who are live in the session, do not forget to press the like button before ending the session. Okay. Fourth is D. Everyone is going with the D option, that is all of the above, and that's true. Money market instruments are all of the above: treasury bill, commercial paper, certificate of deposit. Apart from these three, call money, notice money, term money is there. Apart from call money, notice money, term money, there is a cash management bill, certificate of deposit is also there. Collateralized borrowing and lending obligation is there. So these all are the money market instrument. Okay, next. The way in which computer devices are interconnected is referred to as. The way in which computer devices are connected, interconnected is referred to as modem, network, LAN or topology. Which of the following is correct? The way in which computer devices are interconnected. So we have a different types of devices which interconnect the computer device. Fifth is C and D. Two options are coming: modem network, LAN, local area network, and the topology. So right answer will be, or no, why you are saying C and B? Right answer will be topology. We have a star topology, we have bus topology, we have ring topology, we have loop topology, okay, we have tree topology, etc. So these are the devices which interconnect the computer device. Okay, so right answer will be, that is topology. Right answer will be D. Very good. Next. Hypothecation is defined under section 2 of which of the following act? So hypothecation is defined under which of the following act? Hypothecation is a type of collateral in which the possession and ownership both will remains with the customer. It means with the borrower. Not the possession, not the ownership will be transferred to the lender. Possession, ownership both remains with the borrower. And also the example of hypothecation can be car loan. Like if I am taking a car loan from the bank, so the car's possessions will be with me and ownership will also remains with me. So hypothecation is what? Simply a type of collateral in which possession and ownership both remains with the borrower only. So which of the following will be correct? Right answer will be 6. Everybody is saying 6 is B. No. Some are saying C is also there. No. Not the Transfer of Property Act, but the Surfaci Act 2002 defines the hypothecation in the section 2. So Surfaci Act is securitization and asset reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of Security Interest Act. That's a Surfaci Act. It is used to recover NPA also. Okay, so right answer will be B. Next. Mr. Satish Ramaya maintains a savings bank account with our branch. A lady introducing herself to Mrs. Ramaya wants to know balance in the account as Mr. Ramaya is out of station. In this case, what should the bank do? In this particular case, what should the bank do? Can bank tell the balance of the person's account or not? Which of the following will be correct? Seventh is A. Okay, correct. So the right answer is the bank should not disclose the balance to her. Clear? The bank should not disclose the balance to her. That's the responsibility of the bank. Okay, next. Which among the following activities may be permitted for business facilitator appointed by a bank? Which of the following activities may be permitted for business facilitator appointed by a bank? First is saying identification of borrowers and fitment of activities. Second is saying collection and preliminaries processing of loans application, including the verification of primary information data. Third is saying creating awareness about savings and other products and education and advice on managing money and debt counseling. And fourth is saying all of the above. So which of the following you think is correct about the facilities or the activities may be permitted for business facilitator appointed by the bank? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? Okay. Eighth will be D, that is the all of the above right answer. The right answer will be of D, all of the above will be the facilities or activities that will be permitted to the banking facilitator, or we can say business facilitator, which is appointed by the bank. So right answer will be D. Very good. Next. As per RBI guidelines, Kisan Credit Card cannot be issued to which of the following? So what is Kisan Credit Card? KCC is a credit facility provided by bank to the farmers actually for the purpose of production, and so that the farmers will be able to get the products or purchase the raw material and whatever it is required to perform the activity. So the KCC cannot be issued to which of the following? Individual joint borrower who are owner cultivators. Second is saying apart from that, second is saying tenant farmers, oral lessee and sharecroppers. Third is saying self-help groups, joint liability groups of farmers, including tenant farmers, sharecroppers. Fourth is saying none of the above. Fifth is saying both B and C. So to whom the Kisan Credit Card will not be issued as per the guidelines of RBI. So which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D or E? Okay, fifth is D and E. Two options are coming. No, right answer will be D, none of the above. All are allowed to participate in the KCC. All are allowed to get the KCC. So right answer will be your D option. None of the above will be correct. Individual joint borrowers who are owners, cultivator, they can participate in the KCC. Second, tenant farmers, oral lessees and sharecroppers can be the part of the KCC. Self-help groups, joint liability groups of farmers, that is including the tenant farmers and the sharecroppers, are the part of your KCC. So right answer will be none of the above. Okay, that is D option. Next. Mr. Raj has his own website that carries ads for a dozen retailers. At night, Mr. Raj spends hours clicking on these sites so he can collect commissions from the advertisers. So Mr. Raj is engaged in the scandal referred to as first, click fraud, second, work at home scam, third, cyber squatting, and fourth, backdating website. So which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? So Mr. Raj has his own website that carries ads for a dozen of retailers, and at night Mr. Raj spends hours clicking on these websites so he can collect the commission from their advertisers. So is it, what kind of a scam is it? It's a click fraud, is it a work at home scam, is it a cyber squatting, or is it a backdating website? 10th is A and C. Two options are coming. Okay. No. So maximum are going with the A option. That is correct. That is known as a click fraud. That is known as a click fraud. So right answer will be A, not the C. Okay, right answer will be A. That's a click fraud created by the Mr. Raj. Okay. Now next. So do let me know out of 10 questions how many answers you have given correct. And one information for all of you, that the new batch has been started for your revision batch. That's a revision batch that is available on the application. To enroll in the revision batch, what you have to do, you have to go to the Adda 24/7 application. Go and visit the Adda 24/7 application to check the batch. So this is the website. Here you have to go to the JAIIB and CAIIB section. After going to the JAIIB CAIIB section, you will find the JAIIB November December English tab. Click on that particular tab and you will find out that the new batches are available. The first batch is your Power Pack revision batch, which is started from 31st of October, in which we will cover the important chapters and in the short form, so that you will be able to revise everything in the last 10 days. And apart from that, case study batch is also started from 1st of November. So do make sure you enroll in the case study batch for practicing more and more questions. And to enroll in any of the batch, you just have to click on the particular batch. Click on the batch. This website will be open. You have to click on the buy now. Do check the study plan here. You have to click on the buy now and do use the code Y496 and click on the apply. You will find here the discount of Y496 is there. You can click and discount of 77% will be shown here. And if you use this same code on the particular product from the Adda 24/7 application, you will get 1% additional discount. So right now 78% discount is going on. So after paying 900 rupees, you will be able to purchase the English medium Power Pack revision batch, which is started only from the 31st of October. And the classes which has been already completed, then for that purpose, you can go with the recorded session which is available. Okay, so now let's end the session here and we will meet tomorrow and that same time for discussing the another questions and the answers I can check. That is 10 out of 10. Very good, Rekha. 8 and 9. 5. Mamta, that's a little bit less score. Achha, you have attempted only 7 questions. 5, 10, 7, 7, 8. Okay. So, Sujata, do one thing. I am going to end the session. After that, you can check the record class of the for the first and second question. Okay, so this is all which we have discussed. So let's end the session here. This is how you can enroll in the particular batch. That's a revision batch started from the 1st of November. And last but not the least, if you have not liked the session, then do press the like button. And also, if you have not subscribed the channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notifications